Hey guys, good morning. I am attempting to keep this chair out of landfill. It's a synthetic cane chair. Perfectly good chair, except that there was a little bit of squirrel damage on the cane in the front. So I got some synthetic cane, same size, and I'm gonna attempt to tie some knots underneath and repair the cane. I've never done this before. I watched a few YouTube videos, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start with this one right here. Flip it over. It's kind of dusty. Alright, I'm going to try knotting it down here. So this I need lengthwise. Alright, let's say I need this much. So now I'm just going to follow this pattern here. Pretty easy because the synthetic cane is pretty slippery, so pretty easy to get it through. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at the top again. Those longitudinal straps are repaired. So now I'm going to take a shot at these ones. I think the pattern is getting a little wonky. Let's see. Two under, like right here. All right, let me fix this. It got kind of funky in here. Let me see if I can do something about that. Alright, that might be a little better. And then I'm going to follow that. The big reveal. Look at that. Recaned. You can see it in the front. It's a little bit lighter. These bands right here in the front, the ones in the back are a little darker. I'm sure there are some mistakes in the weaving, but close enough to sit under the grape arbor and have a nice lunch. I guess I should try sitting on it. Very nice. Comfy.